This is what the rubber along the door looks like. It's only the driver door, the passenger door looks fine. But since I have the door open anyway, I'm gonna take out the mirror and this trim piece and see if I can get the rubber that I have here on it. In the previous shot you have seen what the condition of the window rubber is like, and this video is gonna be about replacing that window rubber and putting it back on the car. As I mentioned before, deep socket 8mm. Okay, the mirror should come off now. I've been surprised before. Okay. It does. Now I should be able to get this out here. And I'm carefully, piece by piece, levering it up. It is held by little clamps that are in a U-channel on the bottom of this piece. So this is the trim piece I've taken off the car, and the way this is set up is there is a U-shaped channel that goes over this pinch weld or whatever it is on the door, and there is so that's this one here is where it goes over the door, and there's a secondary U-shaped channel that is this one, and this is where the rubber hooks in. So rubber I have is these, and you just push it in here, and then this is the result, and you have an intact rubber on the door. This is if it was ideal. Reality, of course, is different. This has separated, and that was when I was trying to pull it out. When it was stuck is when they put a screw in here that also went into this lip and held the piece together like this. Now originally these are spot welded. I don't know how easy it is to see, but this here is a spot weld, and I was told it would have to be done with TIG welding, which I can't do, and especially not on such delicate pieces. So what I'm trying to do is the following. I'm gonna just use their screw method, put it on and see if that works, and if not, the next test would be to take it out again, roughen everything up here between the two, and try maybe JB weld or something. I have made surprisingly good repairs with JB weld, so I would then try that before I screw it up. So now first I need to clean it and then put it on, and also you can see these little indentations here. It seems like the rubber is being held in by smacking it with a screwdriver, and for that you need to put something into this channel that it doesn't collapse while you do that, and also something soft underneath so you don't damage the surface, the outer surface of the trim piece. Okay, so I have now taken the window rubber and put it in the channel. You have to go all the way down. By the way, this is a metal reinforcement, so if you press it all the way down, you should reach to these what I screwdriver marks on over the whole length, and you also need to do the horizontal adjustment on the car. So you want to put that on back on, and then have this right at the back edge of the door, so you get a proper seal. And now I'm gonna do the pinching of the rubber, and what I have found is, I think it is 1-inch angle iron, so it's 25 millimeter this way, 25 millimeter this way, so 1 inch by 1 inch, and this goes right into this channel. So that means once you have that in, you can actually, if it's in here, you can put this on a soft surface, some sort of fabric, and then go in and close these pinches again. So let me try that. Okay, one small problem. I still have the little clamps in there that actually hold the trim piece on the door, so I need to take these out. Okay, that's number one. I hope it's visible in the video. These are just tiny little clamps, or whatever you want to call them, that go into the channel, and then that's actually what holds the trim piece on the door. And there should be quite a few more, but I assume they have gotten lost when the car was last disassembled. Okay, I only have 2 of those on this, but I will put one in the back, one in the middle, and then, as they had done it, attach the other one with a screw, and hopefully that should be it, at least for now. Anyway, so now my angle iron will fit in there. Yes, now it goes all the way down. Now I need a soft surface here, and then I should be able to put the rubber, to hammer it tight with my screwdriver. Okay, this should now hold the rubber in the channel vertically. I'm not going to pull on it because I don't want to test it, but I would be surprised if this would move. Get the angle iron out, and as you can see, the other side still looks okay, so no damage there. Okay, I decided I'm going to put these little clamps on the door instead, because if I put them in the window channel and put them too deep, they would not hold on. So they need to be on the door. And now on with the trim piece. First, under the mirror, open the door a bit. And this is the adjustment that I was talking about, that the rubber goes all the way to the edge here, and then you should be able to just push it down. Okay. Now I need to try to put that screw in the front. Also, you might want to go underneath this lip and just make sure it is pulled out all the way. Okay. So the next thing I need to do is get that screw in from that side, and then put the mirror back on, and then I can start reassembling the door card, the inner door panel, and that should be it. Okay, this is where the screw goes. Okay. Okay, it is not perfect because of it being loose on the inside, but still lightly is better than it was. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, and that's the final result. As I said, you need to be ending the rubber with this metal piece here, and we have an intact new rubber on the door. Thanks for watching.